Project Architect, Mr. Joseph and Mr. Ano ang pangalan na isa? Hi guys! We have another Deco City vlog. I am Jesse Vicedo, a project architect for Deco City. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Calamba City, Laguna branch para makita natin yung ins and out dito sa ating Deco City branch. This is what it looks like inside the Deco City showroom. So makikita natin dito yung mga different types ng indoor and outdoor panels and as well as their product applications. So this wall displays all our products for Decolite brand. So our Decolite brand focuses on interior applications such as walls, ceilings, and flooring. So usually makikita mo sa mga showrooms namin, merong WPC corrugated, fluted, and then PVC ceiling as well as our flooring. Pero in the newer showrooms, makikita nyo na ngayon yung mga half round, mini curtains, PVC soffit, and columns. And makikita nyo din dito, naka-display, yung different types and colors na available for your needs. So, our Trevo brand focuses on outdoor applications. We have here our outdoor fluted panels, WPC as well, and then our WPC decking. Dito naman, nakalagay yung ating Lamera display. So, makikita nyo dito yung mga different colors na available. Meron tayong solid colors at saka yung wood grain na colors. Usually, nakalagay ito sa wall, pero here, we have this kind of display. This is a modular display na pwede naming ilipat-lipat around the showroom. So, this is our stock room. So, dito, makikita natin yung mga readily available na stocks and accessories just in case kailangan nyo ng reference sa sizes. Lastly, we have a reception counter. So, reception counters natin usually merong big logo behind it. Tapos, every showrooms, meron tayong mga sales executives or account executives. In here, sa Calamba showroom, we have Kuya Joseph and Kuya Judel. And that's all you see in our Deco City showroom. We're always trying to improve and expand our catalog. So, keep an eye on our social media accounts for you to see our new releases of products and new branches that may open near you. You can visit this particular store here in Calamba City, Laguna, or any other Deco City stores near you. That's all for today. Bye!